Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today we continue to talk on the gold market, and today we not occasionally have prepared the daily update on the Australian dollar, since Australian dollar has big correlation with the gold market, and analysis of the Australian dollar points that Aussie stands very close to the significant resistance. It's also daily overbought area where Australian dollar stands right now, and it's really very big chances on the retracement. With the big correlation with the gold market, this brings us some confidence that we still could get the Brent body sell pattern on the gold market. This tactical trade, despite on the recent upward action, this as you can see, this Brent body is not really very typical, since we have almost minimal thrust and we have almost maximum upward action that Brent body could show, because within the thrust we have just 9 candles, while market has reached the 618 major resistance. It's almost the half of, more than the half of the thrust. That's very rare Brent body type. So usually Brent body shows significant thrust, and maybe it shows 3.8 retracement, or at least the 50%, but it's almost never, it's very rare, the 618 where Brent body could start. But still, since we have some hints on the possible retracement on Australian dollar, we will continue to watch for a possible Brent body sell here on the gold market. All theoretical moments has been completed on the Brent body trade. Also, guys, take a look. This will be the trend line. This market will retest by this action. So what the theoretical issues? So first of all, thrust. Thrust is very nice. No crossing of the 3x3 moving average. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles to the downside. No significant retracements here was. Close above the 3x3 and hitting the major fib resistance level within the 3 close above the 3x3. First close, second close, this market almost has hit it, and today's third close. So today market should complete the preparation for the Brent body trade, and today and tomorrow market should start action down. The target of this of this Brent body trade will be the 618 support of the whole upward action. So that will be, this should be somewhere in 1225 area, probably somewhere in this area, this level, 1220, 1225. So here, so will be probably the target. Now, before we're taking the short position, we would not want to do this blindly. So we would like to get some pattern that will be able to trigger the downward action on this Brent body trade. Well, it will be nice. It would be nice if market, for example, will show some minor upward action here and still will hit the 1250 level. So here you can see market hasn't quite reached it. So this high was 1248.55 area, so slightly lower than the fib level. And maybe this will happen by this pattern that we see on the hourly chart. Here market is forming the triangle, but the most important here that we have some kind of the bullish dynamic pressure here. So the momentum up was really strong. It will be not real simple to fade it down, to mute it. So we have the triangle, but also we have the signs of the bullish dynamic pressure. What the signs are? You can see the trend has shifted bearish here, but market is forming higher bottoms inside of the triangle, and action doesn't look like bearish action at all. So we have the flat action, although trend holds bullish by the MACD indicator. That is the sign of the bullish dynamic pressure. Usually the minimum target of this pressure of this pattern is the taking out of this top. It's not necessarily that market will continue to move higher, but some minor breakout could happen. It could take the shape of the butterfly that I have drawn here. So you can see the first target will be 1250 to 127 extension, or maybe 1253. This is 1618 extension. Anyway, we probably will try to use this butterfly for a possible take in the short position based on the brand by the trade on the daily chart. So the trading plan looks like follows. We wait when the butterfly will be completed, for example at 127. Then this is the first point. Then we could try to take the short position. When the market starts to move down, we will manage our position, manage our stop loss order, and the target will be the 618 support of the whole upward action. If you will decide to take the position based on the 127 butterfly, your initial stop should be above the 1618. This is the rule how just butterflies trade. If you take the position at 1618, you just should place stop somewhere slightly higher than 1618. After that, guys, you should watch for possible, for example, appearing of the hand shoulders. So market here could form the hand shoulders pattern. That's another opportunity for entry. So if you, let's suppose that you do not want to take the additional risk in trying to catch market right at the reversal point, you would like to get some more confirmation. In this case, you could wait for the butterfly will be formed, this drop will start, and if you will get lucky, you probably could get the hand shoulders pattern, because the butterflies very often become the part of the hand shoulders pattern. If you will get the hand shoulders, in this case you could try to take the position on the right shoulder of this pattern. That's also will be another opportunity. For those of you who will take the position based on the butterfly, could just apply the scale in and add more to your position on the top of the right shoulder of the butterfly. Oh, sorry, of the hand shoulders. And then, as market will drop below the neckline, for example, you could move your stop to the break-even and just wait for the target. That's approximately how it should happen if it will develop properly, if it will be developed correctly. So let's hope that we will get it, since the setup in general very nice, and probably it really has chance to appear. Just keep watching what we will get. Probably we should get the pattern in place in the today or maybe tomorrow session.